Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gamma Pro. First, let's explore the user interface. You'll find the main dashboard provides a clear overview of your active projects and recent files. To begin, simply click the New Project button, typically located in the top left corner, and give your project a descriptive name. Then, easily import your data by dragging and dropping files into the designated area or by using the Import menu option. This foundational step sets you up for success. Now, let's dive into Gamma Pro's core functionalities. The robust analysis engine allows you to process large datasets quickly, often completing tasks in mere seconds. You can generate comprehensive reports with just a few clicks, choosing from over 20 pre-built templates. Personalize your experience by dragging and dropping panels to suit your workflow, saving your custom layouts for future use. When your work is done, export your results in formats like PDF, CSV, or even a high-resolution image. Ready to elevate your Gamma Pro skills? Discover the power of automation by recording custom macros for frequently performed actions, saving you hours each week. For team projects, utilize the built-in collaboration tools to share your work securely and track changes in real time. Remember to explore the extensive list of keyboard shortcuts. Mastering just 5 or 6 can dramatically increase your efficiency, allowing you to navigate and execute commands with lightning speed. To ensure a smooth experience with Gamma Pro, always follow best practices. Make it a habit to save your work frequently, perhaps every 5 to 10 minutes, to avoid losing progress. Implement a robust backup strategy, storing copies of your critical projects on at least 2 separate locations, like a cloud service and an external hard drive. Should you encounter any questions, the extensive online, help guide, and community forums are excellent resources for quick answers and support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.